Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to force end tasks in Windows 10 and show you how to quickly close frozen or unresponsive programs. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar located at the bottom of your screen. This gives you fast access to system tools that help manage running apps and background processes. Step 2. Click on Task Manager from the menu. Task Manager is a built-in Windows utility that shows all active programs and helps you control system performance. Step 3. Select the program you want to close from the list of running apps. This step is important when a program is not responding or cannot be closed normally. Step 4. Click on End Task at the bottom or top of the window. This forces the selected program and its background processes to close immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.